Hi, and welcome. My name is Daniel, and today I'll be teaching you how to use expressions in everyday situations. Our topic for today is get these expressions down to a science. First, let's learn some keywords that are included in this lesson. Inspire, to provide the basis or idea for something. For example, the novel was inspired by real events. Physics, the branch of science concerned with forces such as heat, light, and electricity, the physical properties or processes of something. For example, you need to understand math to understand physics. Wave, the form that certain types of energy or matter take as they travel. For example, scientists began experimenting with radio waves for communication in the late 1800s. Signal, a series of electrical or radio waves that are sent and received. For example, the brain sends signals to our organs and body parts. Attract, to make someone want or be interested in something. For example, she bought the red dress to attract boys at the party. Get along, to have a good relationship with someone. For example, my son and daughter usually get along with each other, but they sometimes fight. Get these expressions down to a science. Science is about testing and understanding things. So if you have something down to a science, it means you understand it well or are very good at doing it. Here are some other expressions that are inspired by science. If two or more people have similar opinions and find it easy to understand each other, you can say they are on the same wavelength. This expression comes from physics and describes the distance between two waves. More people started using it when they started listening to radios, because a radio signal can only be heard if people have their radio set to its wavelength. So if two scientists have the same idea, one might say, "I thought the same thing. How are we always on the same wavelength?" Microscopes allow us to see things more closely, even things that are so small they normally can't be seen at all. So if someone or something is put under a microscope, it means that they are being studied or looked at very closely. So the other scientist might say, "Don't put it under a microscope. Being on the same wavelength saves us a lot of time." When two or more people feel attracted or close to each other and get along well, you can say they have chemistry. This expression is mostly used to describe people who are in love. So another colleague might say to one of the scientists, "You two really look like you've got chemistry." Which of these expressions did you find interesting? Tell me your answer by commenting down below. If you learned something new or enjoyed listening, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and always take care.